is, woohoo! Like ooshy bougie, you know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to put this video out. First of all, I wanted to say I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas if I don't put this up in time. Again, thank you so much. I could not be here without you guys. So I mean, I know 6,000 is like very little, but to me, you guys are everything. And I wanted to give you guys a big announcement. And I did want to let you know that hopefully videos won't slow down. I'm gonna be working really hard. Like, I know I haven't posted a video maybe like in a week or two, but I made one just a little bit ago that I will be posting up hopefully tomorrow. But yeah, the big announcement is that I know quick note, I know that I just posted a tour video of this little studio. Some of you guys thought it was my basement or something. I was reading in the comments, but no, it's like a little shop. It's next to another tattoo shop. It's like very little, very old building, you know. And so we try so hard to make it look cute, and a lot of it does look cute, but the floors are like super outdated. Everything's just very old looking. I mean, no shade, like you have to start somewhere. And I kind of wanted to tell you the backstory first. Like, I first started in a one-room office. I don't know if I mentioned this in my other videos, but I started in a one-room office, and then it was me by myself. And then I moved over here to this building, and I started renting it, and then I rent to other people. So I have 2 nail techs, and I have a massage therapist, and then it's me, the esthetician. And now, guys, I'm so excited to let you guys know. Like, I'm emotional. I'm excited because we are growing and I got a new place. So we are moving. Like, it happened so fast. It was just asked and I was like, what am I doing? Like, I went for it, you know. I thought about it for a whole day. I told my landlord yes, and one thing led to another. I met up with her. She handed me the keys and I was like, shocked, you know. I went home, went to bed, woke up in the morning, and you know when you wake up and you're like, what the hell happened last night? Like, you know, like kind of that feel of shame, like what did I do? Like, what did I sign up for? Was it real, you know? And I mean, it's not like a big deal, it's not nothing huge, but it's bigger than here. It's beautiful, it has hardwood floors. Like, Abyss is trying, you know, like we're trying to get better. We are gonna like fully change over. Everybody agreed to go with me, thank God. So also we added a hair girl. I got a girl to do hair. So I'll have 1 hair person, hopefully 2 if we can get another one. A massage therapist, 2 nail techs, well 3 nail techs because I do nails as well. And then esthetician and lashes, and it's just, God is good. God, without him, like we can't. So yeah, like I'm just super blessed. I feel so blessed, and I cannot wait to make more videos because my room over there, if you thought this one was kind of cute because I worked really hard to make it cute, the other one is just, she real cute. And we changed the name. Right now we're known as XOXO Salon, which is crazy because we don't have any hair people. So the name Salon always bothered us. And over there we decided to go with the name. Let me know what you guys think. Like, in the comments down below, please let me know. I know it might sound stupid to some of you guys, but I don't want to be judged. But we're gonna be calling it Bougie, and I'm pretty sure you guys know what bougie means. If you've heard bad and bougie, or like ooshy bougie, you know, it's like somebody being extra, somebody that gets their lashes done, or somebody that gets their nails done. Like, girl, you're being bougie. And to like my older friends, I try to explain, like, girl, imagine you drinking your homemade coffee, which is nothing's wrong with that, and then you go to Starbucks and you spend more money than you need to on coffee. It's kind of like, ooh, she's being bougie on herself, you know. She's being luxurious yet humble. I don't know, so many thoughts in my head, and we thought about it, and we thought about doing like a simple, I don't know, everything sounded so boring. And we're like right in town, so it's just gonna say Bougie, black and white, and it's beautiful, and I cannot wait to do a tour. But I'm so excited. Like, right now I have boxes right here, and that's gonna bother me, but we're moving. So January 1st, January 31st, we're gonna try to start moving everything in, and that's the announcement. I don't know what else to say. Thank you for being patient on waiting for videos. I am going to do like volume tutorials, classic lash tutorials. I know a few of you guys like on the lash, you guys definitely helped me out a lot, and I mean, thank you. Trust me, I see every single comment. I put them in my notes, and we are gonna be working on doing those videos. Like a girl asked today, sorry if I forget your name, but she asked on a video on how to like unstick lashes, or when, you know, when they stick to the pad and things like that. So I will make detailed videos for you guys. Like, I am dedicated. I know I have 2 jobs and a 13-year-old, a teenager at home, so it's hard, but I can do it. It's fun, and I cannot wait to share with you guys. But yeah, that's it, guys. I don't want to bore you. Like, the big announcement is, woohoo, we're moving, we're growing, Abyss is growing, we're growing, and I'm happy, and I'm just so thankful to God, and I don't even know what else to say. Like, it sucks because right now it's Christmas Eve, I'm sitting here alone. Anyways, good things are to come, and I cannot wait to grow even more. I want to build a team. Like, it's way more professional over there. We're gonna have like I mean, not saying that this building was crap. It was great. I mean, it was a good little experience, and we're ready to get the hell out of here. Over there, it's so cute, and I cannot wait to show you. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Make sure to hit the like button to let me know that you do like the videos, and make sure to hit the subscribe button as well, and hit the little notification bell, because it'll notify you when I upload a new video if you want to see, or if you like my videos. And thank you so much, guys. I cannot wait. Look at my little tree. It's so cute. It has my business cards. That's so cute. Okay, sorry, I get really distracted. But yeah, I'm so sad to say bye to my striped walls. We worked so hard on the striped walls, on the flower wall on the front. Like, if you guys go to my tour video, oh, we're taking those flowers, we're ripping them down, and we're taking them with us. And yeah, I'm gonna shut up because obviously I have no one to talk to, and you guys are here. So we'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.